55th edition of Indian International Film Festival is underway in the West Indian state of Goa. Day 3 of IFFI is all set to witness a lot of action. From Creative Minds of Tomorrow to Film Bazaar, a lot will be explored by cine enthusiasts at the event today. Earlier, Prasar Bharati, India's public broadcaster, launched its all-new over-the-top or the OTT streaming platform Waves, taking a significant leap into the digital streaming landscape. And for more, we have Deepika Mehto joining us from Goa on this. Well, Deepika, after a buzzing yesterday, what all is lined up for today?
Good morning, Lepakshi. Today at the 55th International Film Festival, we are expecting a lot of masterclasses to happen across the day. And apart from that, there will be red carpets for most of the movies that will be scheduled at a different venue, because there are different events which are spread across Goa celebrating the 55th edition of IFFI. And not only this, the 18th edition of the Film Bazaar is also going on, where the 48-hour challenge of the Creative Minds of Tomorrow is currently underway. 12 hours have already passed by, and the students are making their own films. Top 100 will be selected, will be shortlisted, and they will win the coveted prize. And not only this, the Film Bazaar also offers an opportunity for funding for all the young minds who will win this challenge. And now, talking about the master classes, in a very short while from now, we are expecting legendary South Indian actor Naga Arjun to attend the master class and to share his views on films, his experiences with the students over here and with all the cine enthusiasts. And apart from Naga Arjun, there will be Mani Ratnam, there will be other grand legends, big actors who would be coming in throughout the day here at different sessions of the master classes that will go on till evening. And if we talk about the red carpet premieres, the red carpet star cast will keep on coming in throughout the day, because there are many, around 8 to 9 international and national films which have been lined up throughout the day at the Inox here in Goa, where streaming will be taking place, interactions will be taking place, and the directors will share their view on their piece of films and artwork. Lepakshi.
All right, Deepika, I'm sure a lot of excitement must be there about the masterclass, but tell us more about the theme this year. Young filmmakers, the future is now.
Indeed, Lepakshi, the theme is young filmmakers, the future is now, and I think that completely justifies it when we talk about the Creative Minds of Tomorrow, because yesterday we had a conversation with many of the participants. We cannot disturb them much because they are into the zone right now, they are into the competition right now because the challenge has already begun, but they share the ideas, because the theme of this year's Creative Minds of Tomorrow is relationship in the age of technology. So they are making a film in a light where they can show technology in a positive way, and we had a conversation that how in this era, how can you show technology in a positive way when we talk about relationship, because we've seen many dating apps coming in, many scams happening, but at the same time they say that communication is to be blamed and not the platform technology, because technology is just a new form of new media, and that needs to be used in a very positive way and used to the fuller potential of it. So it is on us, the onus is on us on how we use technology as a platform, and we just don't have to jar the communication channel and blame the technology for it. This is the mindset of the young minds over here with which they are participating at this mega and prestigious event here at Lepakshi.
All right, the onus is of course on us to how to use the technology in a positive way. Thank you so much, Deepika, for all that information.